Nutella cupcakes, I can teach you how to make them. It will take only 20 minutes of your time. No more, I promise. Let's start! Take out your Nutella jar and put some spoons in a bowl. It depends on you actually how many you want to put. If you want a lot of mix, you put a lot of Nutella. Then you crack one egg and add it to the bowl with Nutella. Then mix well together. Mix until you see that wonderful cream mix you have there. You should mix around 1 or 2 minutes, not more than that. Then add the flour. Again, it depends on you how much flour do you want. If you want your mix to end up more solid, you can add more flour. That way your cupcakes will be more fluffier after they bake. If you're happy and you know it, take a piece of butter and butter up your pan. I'm using here a cupcake pan. Then I'm adding a little bit of flour so my mix doesn't stick on the pan. And then I add the mix in each section of the pan. As you see in this video, I didn't make enough mix for the whole pan, so don't judge please. Be kind, it doesn't cost a penny. If you want to make your cupcakes more interesting, you should add one banana. Not silly, not a banana to each cupcake, just a piece of it, just one piece in each cupcake. Just for you to know, when the cupcake will bake, the banana will go on the bottom of the cupcake. And your kid will love it, or your husband, or your wife. For the decoration, I choose 1 spoon and 1 fork, and then I add some cacao. You can mix the cacao with sugar, whatever you want, I don't mind. Look how wonderful this decoration is. Then you can add one by one your cupcake. Oh, my cupcakes look so nice. Just to be honest, guys, I'm not so great at decorating, so don't judge again, please. You can choose your own unique way of decorating. I don't like my cupcake to be naked, so I'm adding some powdered sugar at the end. And I think they look okay. At least they're eatable. Look at that. Tell me in the comment if you liked it. Bye!